Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be talking about why are French words used in English? Why are French words used in English? If you've ever ordered a croissant, worn lingerie, or said RSVP, you've used French without even realizing it. But why are so many French words part of the English language? It turns out French has left a huge mark on English vocabulary. In fact, nearly 30% of English words come directly or indirectly from French. Let's explore how French got into English, why it stayed, and what it means for learners today. Number 1. The Norman Invasion 1066. French becomes the language of power. The biggest reason French invaded English is because France literally invaded England. In 1066, William the Conqueror, Duke of Normandy in modern-day France, defeated the English king and became the new ruler of England. As a result, French became the language of the court, law, government, and elite. English was spoken mostly by peasants and the working class. For over 300 years, French was the language of power, and thousands of French words entered English, especially in law, politics, and food. Number 2, French words that stuck and stayed. Many of the French words introduced in medieval England never left. Today, they're just English. Here are a few examples by category. Government and law. Justice. Justice. Court. Court. Judge. Judge. Parliament. Parliament. Government. Government. Crime. Crime. Food and cooking. Beef. Beef from beef. Pork. Pork. Cuisine. Cuisine. Menu. Menu. Restaurant. Restaurant. Fashion and culture. Boutique. Boutique. Chic. Chic. Haute couture. Haute couture. Perfume. Perfume. Ballet. Ballet. Lingerie. Lingerie. Formal language. Rendezvous. Rendezvous. Déjà vu. Déjà vu. Resume. Resume. Fupa. Fupa. Fiancé. Fiancé.